We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're showing you how to make our lemony sautéed spinach. We cook the spinach with garlic and lemon zest. Instead of mincing the garlic, we love adding sliced garlic. We also need some lemon zest. You could use a microplane or, for extra pretty zest, use a vegetable peeler to remove the outer yellow skin of the lemon and then thinly slice into strips. Add olive oil, the sliced garlic, and the lemon zest to a wide skillet over medium heat. Cook until the oil is bubbling around the garlic and then pile in the spinach. I know it looks like way too much spinach for the pan size, but don't worry, it wilts down quickly. Add a generous pinch of salt, and then once the bottom layer of leaves have started to wilt, toss the leaves around the pan. Keep tossing so that all the leaves have a chance to hit the bottom of the skillet. When the spinach looks bright green and is mostly wilted, remove the pan from the heat and serve with a bit more salt and red pepper flakes sprinkled on top. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.